everyone, and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to cover the different components and types of videos that you might create for your courses. So the first type of video is, I call a talking head video. And this is what a lot of the videos that you've seen from me so far, just me talking at you, the camera focused on me, you're seeing me from the shoulders up. So it's just the talking head, right? So these types of videos are good when you are, doing sort of a live class first, and then you plan to use those when you make your evergreen course. It's also good for instances where a lot of what you're doing is just talking at people and visuals won't really be useful. The second option is screencasting, and screencasting is often the most useful when you're showing people how to do stuff. So working with different technologies, trying to show someone how to do things in certain programs. So like on the example I have here, I made a video to show folks how to set up appointment calendars in Google. So it was just screencast, I was talking through it, but I was also doing things like clicking through the technology. The third one is animation, and animation is useful for creating engaging videos. So you can see here I made a GIF of the video that you're going to do in the next lesson in this product. And animated videos are really useful for instances where you have a lot of text that you're going to have on the screen. And because it helps to, break things up, break up the words so that people can read them at different rates. It helps for engagement during the video. Interactive videos are a little different. So engagement during a video is having things on the screen that help your reader or help your viewer engage with and understand the content as you're delivering it. Interactive videos are videos where you have created the video and you create an interactive component. For example, the screenshot that you see on this slide is from a PlayPosit that I created. So this was an instance where I had recorded a video. It was a screen share video or a screencast video. And then I put it into this PlayPosit program where I can add questions. So this one was a multiple choice question, but you can also add things like discussion questions. And these videos are, places where you can sort of do knowledge checks, or you can do, like, if your viewer wants more information on certain things, some programs, interactive programs, will let you create hot links on some of your objects. So they're really useful for instances where interaction with the video is going to help with learner understanding. A slide deck with a voiceover. So this is what I'm doing right now, right? I made a slide deck. I'm doing a voiceover as I move through the slides. And I'm doing it this way just to give you another example, because I've been doing a lot of talking head videos at you. But this is just another way that you could do it. Something that I could do instead is, and I'm going to get to that a little bit later, but I could have a screenshot or a talking head in addition to sharing slides, so that you could both see me and the slides. The next option or type of video is in real life videos. So these are a little harder. These are videos that include shots. Think of like filming movies, but the goal here is learning. And the difference between these and talking head is that lighting can become more complex because you often have more elements to consider. There are other people, there are backgrounds. So if we imagine the two people in the scenario that you're looking at on the screen, right now they're sitting at a desk looking at a computer, but if in the shot we're going to have them stand up and walk somewhere, depending on what the learning goal is, then that the camera would need to shift, the lighting would need to shift. So there are other things that you have to consider in those types of videos. Finally, a combo. Honestly, most videos are a combination of elements. So you might have a talking head and you might shift from the talking head to a screen share. I don't know if you would shift from a screen share to animation, but you can use animations in your talking head video. Most of the ones that I've done for you so far have that, right? It's me, and then you'll see things flying in around at moments when I want you to engage and really listen. And the written aspect of that can help solidify what it is I'm sharing with you. So in addition to the various components of a video, there's also different styles, like Ignite style videos. Those are 20 presentation slides that auto advance every 15 seconds and really focus on keeping attention. It's heavy on the images and audio working together. A TEDx style video, right, which is a video of a person walking around on a stage talking to a live audience. There are videos with real people acting out scenes. There's micro learning, and that's, sort of like really short 1 to 2 minute clips of videos where you're sharing, snippets that can be put together for the bigger thing that they're learning. So what is the right video for you and your audience? So you're going to want to create a profile, and to determine that, you want to know who your learner is, what do they need, and what is the best fit for those needs. And the workbook has a graphic organizer to help you flesh out what those learner needs look like and how to make decisions about your video content based on your learner, the content, because that matters too, and then best practices. The workbook has a list of best practices. In the next video, we're going to go over sort of some must-haves when you're choosing a technology to do any one of these types of videos.